Welcome back to Celebrities in History, where we uncover fascinating, weird, and mind-blowing events in celebrity history. Today, we're diving into 20 incredible events that happened on October 3. From iconic births to unforgettable celebrity moments, you're in for a treat. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more celebrity history every day. Let's get started. Celebrity events. Number 20. On October 3, 1969, Gwen Stefani was born. Now 54, the no-doubt frontwoman and fashion icon continues to prove she's just a girl with timeless style and flair. Number 19. October 3, 1973, Stevie Wonder's single Higher Ground reached number 1. At 23, Stevie was redefining soul music, reminding us we all need to keep climbing. Number 18. On October 3, 2000, Benjamin Orr, bassist and singer of the Cars, passed away at 53. His hit song Drive still cruises through the hearts of fans everywhere. Number 17. On October 3, 1925, Gore Vidal was born. The famous writer and public intellectual lived to the age of 86, sparking controversies and conversations that shaped American literature and politics. Number 16. On October 3, 1995, the world stopped for the O.J. Simpson trial verdict. At 48, Simpson was acquitted of murder, marking one of the most watched legal battles in history. Number 15. On October 3, 1954, Elvis Presley made his first radio appearance on Louisiana Heride. At 19, the king of rock and roll was just getting ready to shake things up. Number 14. On October 3, 1941, Chubby Checker was born. Now 83, the legendary singer got the whole world doing the twist, revolutionizing dance crazes forever. Number 13. On October 3, 1988, Alicia Vikander was born. At 46, the Academy Award-winning actress continues to mesmerize audiences with her performances in films like The Danish Girl. Number 12. On October 3, 2010, Glee paid tribute to Britney Spears with their Britney/Britney episode. The pop icon was 29 and loving the fact that her career had inspired a whole new generation. Number 11. On October 3, 1955, the Mickey Mouse Club premiered on ABC. Walt Disney, aged 54, knew how to captivate kids and make TV history with this iconic show. Number 10. On October 3, 1973, Mean Girls fans know the importance of this day. It's October 3rd, thanks to the 2004 movie. The film continues to define high school drama to this day. Number 9. On October 3, 1981, Rod Stewart's Tonight on Yours was released, becoming a massive hit. At 36, Stewart was still rocking with no sign of slowing down. Number 8. On October 3, 1990, East and West Germany officially reunited after the fall of the Berlin Wall. David Hasselhoff, then 38, performed as part of the celebrations, truly cementing his place in German pop culture. Number 7. On October 3, 1962, James Bond made his screen debut with Dr. No. Sean Connery, aged 32, became the world's most famous spy, forever defining the role of 007. Number 6. On October 3, 1949, Lindsey Buckingham, Fleetwood Mac's lead guitarist, was born. Now 75, Buckingham is still rocking stages, proving that Go Your Own Way is a timeless anthem. Number 5. On October 3, 1992, Sinead O'Connor ripped up a photo of the Pope on SNL, igniting a media firestorm. She was 25, and it remains one of TV's most shocking moments. Number 4. On October 3, 2004, Bruce Springsteen performed a historic concert in Washington, D.C. to rally voters. The Boss, then 55, showed that rock and roll could still make waves in politics. Number 3. On October 3, 1992, Snoop Dogg released his debut single, Who Am I? What's My Name? At 21, the young rapper's career skyrocketed, making him a hip-hop legend. Number 2. On October 3, 1971, Soul Train premiered on television. The show's creator, Don Cornelius, then 34, brought funk, soul, and dance into homes across America. Number 1. On October 3, 2008, Beyoncé released Single Ladies, Put a Ring on It. At 27, she became an anthem for independence, empowering women everywhere to put their hands up. If you love these celebrity facts and jaw-dropping moments from October 3rd, be sure to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Celebrities in History. We've got more amazing celebrity history coming your way, so stay tuned.